Hello, this is John Hayes. I'm making this video about hashtags on Instagram. Now, they are very important. The best way to think about hashtags is that they're similar to keywords on Google and the other search engines. If you want to get to the top of Google on the front page or on Bing or any of the other search engines, then obviously you need to have the right keywords. So on Instagram, they're hashtags, and basically you have what's known as the Explore page, which you can think about as the front page of Google, and the idea is to get onto the Explore page. So what I'm going to do is, let's assume, we'll look at the account here, let's assume that we're into motivation. So that's a big, right? If I search on hashtag motivation, then you'll see, if I just use the hashtag motivation, there are 132 million posts, so the chances of getting found are not particularly good. Let's have a quick look at that. So this is the Explore page, these top 9 posts, and as I say, the chances of getting on there if you're a new account are not that great. So really it's not worth having that as a hashtag. You do get up to 30 hashtags on your post, so you might as well make the most of them. So let's go back again and go down a little bit further. Right, if you look down here further, you can see Motivation Monday, 3 million, still too many. Motivation Gym, Motivational is 5 million, again, probably not worth doing. Motivation Quotes, 444,000. I wouldn't do that one, to be honest. Now, Motivation Day looks quite good. I'd probably aim, if you've got a new account, to go between about 25,000 posts and up to about 150,000. So that's on the border. Motivation Quote. Let's see if we've got some others. Okay, Motivational Daily. That one looks quite a Motivation Daily. So here we have 94,000. So we've got a better chance. So again, that's the Explore page, and the idea is to get onto that if possible, or it goes down a little bit further. So what I would suggest is that you continue to look up here for hashtags and go for up to 30, between 20 to 25,000 and 150,000. Now, you may also want to look at quotes. Right, 50 million there, again, not much chance. Quotes with a double S, possibly. Quotes tag, Quotes Daily, 1.2 million, no. Quotes page, that might be worth going for, so you've got 60,000 there. Right, so it's just a question of going through, looking at the right hashtags, and then you may as well use the 30, because that's what you get. Okay, so that's hashtags on Instagram. It's John Hayes. If you've got any questions, please let me know. Thanks very much.